I never expected her life would be like this.
Now, wow, one of our brother, our uncle, cry come out for social media. I don't know whether I don't see this video. I say me I bring and come out for now. Me una see chook in her mouth put. I believe say maybe if this video still get to our brother, our uncle hand, maybe he go still um, read una comment. Please, if you watch this video, drop good comment and drop comment when he go see his wife go see. In fact, it go change their life, or they go take something inside. Yes, thank you everybody. As you watch Naija Daughter TV, I really do appreciate this. Our brother, he need help. He need help. Yes, Nadia, I will put on. He need help. He cry come out say he need to cry come out say a woman when he carry come from Nigeria, the woman don't dey in neck for Jamie. The woman dey find how government, German government, go take push him outside, and na he go carry this woman come. My people, this one it shook me. Before see elderly man, grown up man share tears. Nobody dey with them for house. I know people go say if we hear for the woman side, in fact, go be like say make they, but nobody really know wetin two of them they really pass through inside house. My own opinion is before going to Africa, this thing don't too much. You read what happened for America. He said, "This is how you run my life. This is how you." The video still there, my people. If you watch am, a man, Nigerian man, when he buy a wife for America, when he still taking your life. It's painful when you bring somebody from all the way from Africa, then the person want frustrate you. My own is that when you see say the person want frustrate you, this life now we meet money. Now this life now will still leave money. If you do good, you go leave am. If you do bad, you go see am. You understand why I put am like that? Is because many of folks, you carry your wife, you carry your husband, come all the way from Nigeria, and you they see the character, sweet you. Why can't you move on? Now people they build a house, government go demolish am. Now why can't you move without now me bring you come? When you know say that thing they affect your head, when you know say that person not be who you think say he be. I never, now my own opinion, I just felt it because this thing, it don't they pay me. You come Europe, you go carry your husband, your wife come. Okay, when you can't carry this, your wife or your husband come, and he can't they give you tough hand, as imagine this elderly man they cry. My people, imagine this elderly man they cry. My uncle, my brother, my own advice to you, your health is very important. Love yourself first. God has give you that money to take bigger. He go give you more than the one when you get before. Leave and say you don't bring and come Europe. Many people, now me bring you come Europe. Now me bring you come this abroad. I not let you go. Your life don't change. You are hurting yourself. Do without them. Without them, you felt they do life before. Without them, you are living well. What are you doing? Why coming on social media cry? Can't you make your decision by yourself? Can't you, in fact, sit down by yourself and make yourself happy? Love yourself first. Forget money na paper. If paper na money, paper tree na money, I not believe say for the outside. God will give you that strength. When you take make that money, when you take carry her come, she can't give you tough hand. Do without her. Stop coming on social media. Your head first. Why you they cry? The thing they pain you. Say all your efforts. Now so she take pay you. My brother, your happiness come first. Your happiness come first. Don't let anybody steal your happiness. Now money, how when you take that money, when you take work that money, it never come up for your body. That brain, when you take make that, when you fit take save, it never come up for your brain. If God want come bless you, as far as say you don't hurt her, except you dey over the rule her. Now me carry you. Some people are still like that. Now me carry you come. If the woman talk, the word no count for the house. If the man talk, the word no count for the house. Now me carry you come. Woman want bath, na no let am bath because I listened to one for one social media. Woman want cook, na no let am cook. Man want do this, so now me carry you come. Oh, where you they go? You know all those things. Me I not like her, but if you know say you know they over control am, you give her the equal right when you get as a husband, as a wife, and she can't turn against you. She dey find how she want to push you out. My brother, the one when God will carry wait for you. When 12 now take day till una old, you know. In fact, you got even they regret what even make you go house. And una they go house. Now many of una they cry, I'm sorry. No be say to go house, go marry. Many people go house, go marry. They still get their love, they still dey together. But look where the person when you they marry, they come abroad. Let she or he know how abroad life hard. Man can wash a whole plate. Man can cook. Man can wash clothes. Man can clean for Europe, for abroad. But Africa not be like that. You get one video one I see one I go love bring comment. Now elderly person I analyze her. That is true. But Nigeria is not like that. Before bringing somebody to this Europe, please let she or he understand. Not after she don't come or he don't come. That time, you come they say, no be waiting they call Baba and they call Mama. And you, the woman, when they carry come, you, the man, when they carry come, before you they come, you see how this man be, you see how this woman be. Before you say you go do, at the end, as you come, finish, you say you know do again. Or you they find how you want to bring him down. Remember, he can be your brother. Remember, he can be your sister. Remember, he can be your child. If na your pikin or na your brother or na your sister, person they treat like this, it go sweet you. If e no sweet you, may una change. Wetin una know say that if they do now or if they do any of una loved one, it go hurt you now reach bone. May una no dey do person like that because it's not easy inside this cold. As cold dey now, person go work, carry una enter Europe finish, carry una enter abroad finish. Una go say na una be the giant of the Europe or of the abroad. May una remember say there is God. Now this one I get to talk. I go leave una. May una enjoy the video. May una hear from the man mouth. I'll leave now. I'll see you in my next video. Please, if today is your first time, please subscribe to this channel. All my returning. No, I'm loyal. I'm humble. I love you guys all. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Ciao, ciao. Au revoir.
My people, this is more than I can take. I never expected that life would be like this. But now that he has gotten to this stage, it's time for me to let the whole world know what is going on. Because if I do anything now, government will chase me out of the house. And she will be the one to inherit all I have achieved since I came to Europe. I don't know what I have done to this woman. I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this at all. The woman I went to Nigeria to marry with my heart and money. My name is Ebele. I live here in Germany. But I am a